yeah, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a small makeup haul for those of you who are new. Yes, I am trying to get into the makeup thing. I'm trying to grow up, trying to get myself together, because I be looking a hot mess right now. Okay, I be looking like a straight mom, and it is my time to glow up. So I purchased a few items online just to have a little collection going, because I don't have much makeup at all, period. And I'm not sure if this foundation is my color. So the first place that I did order from was e.l.f. And I was looking for their what's it called, their primer, this poreless putty primer. And I heard, well, I did hear, I've seen a lot of people saying that this was really good and inexpensive. So I'm like, okay, I don't have a primer for my face, so let me go ahead and get it. And I did test it out a little bit under this foundation, and I do like it. The next thing that I got from e.l.f. are these lip glosses. I think 3 of them are lip plumping, and then the other are just regular. Now, I didn't really need any lip glosses, but they were just like $1 or $2, and I had to have them. So I got these 3 colors. This one is in the shade Bold Pink. Let me swatch it. Bold Pink. And this one is in the shade Wild Rose. Here, that's that one. And then I got a clear, it's in the color Bubbles. It's like a clear with glitter. I'm not sure if you can tell, but yeah. Those are the 3 regular glosses, and then I got 3 lip plumping glosses, and I got one in the color Sparkling Rose. Swatch her. Sparkling Rose. Pink Cosmo, which is like a nude, like a peachy nude color. That one right here. And the last one is in the color Praline. Just that right there. And that's everything that I got from e.l.f. So the next shop that I ordered from was Morphe, and I ended up getting these 2 lip liners. I got one in the color Foolish and the other in the color Chippy. And they had a lot of them sold out, so I just bought what I could because I don't have any lip liners. So this one is the color Foolish. That one's in the color Foolish. And then this is the color Chippy. This one right here. I done broke some of it off. But yeah, that one's in the color Chippy. From Morphe, I ordered 2 palettes, 2 eyeshadow palettes. The first one that I ordered was this 35S Sweet Oasis palette. So let's take a look at her. This is her on the outside. And these are the shades that came in this palette. And I really thought they were pretty, so that's why I got it. The last palette that I got from Morphe was the Morphe James Charles palette collaboration. And this one, oh my god, it was so bomb on the website. I didn't realize that it was gonna be this big. Like, it's big. Yeah, So I'm gonna open it up, show you guys the colors. And this palette, you guys, is beautiful. Like, I'm obsessed. So I'm probably gonna use some of these colors down here to do an inspired St. Patrick's Day look for the month of March. But we're gonna see how that goes, y'all. We're gonna see how that goes. I don't know if y'all saw my previous, I think it was a couple videos ago, I did my first like makeup video, and y'all, I'm not a professional, but if y'all want to check that video out, I'm gonna link it up here. Let me know how I did, okay? I'm trying to get it together. That's all that I ordered from Morphe. The next thing that the next place that I ordered from was BH Cosmetics, and from them I ordered these. From them I ordered the Take Me Back to Brazil makeup eyeshadow palettes. And when I saw this, I had to have it. Like, the colors are so like vibrant, and I definitely wanted to start playing with more colors this year. I'm not really into like the whole neutral stuff. I feel like I don't know how to apply it right, and I be looking like a raccoon or right, so I don't know. But yeah, this is the palette, and I honestly thought it was gonna be bigger. From what it looked like online, it looked like the palette was gonna be bigger, but it's small. Like, the eyeshadow pans are small, but that's okay. Lastly, to go with the eyeshadow palette, I also got the Take Me Back to Brazil brush set. It is a 10-piece brush set, and I only have like, I don't have that many makeup brushes, and I know I needed more, and I'm the type of person that likes colorful stuff, pretty, you know, colors and all that stuff. So these are the brushes. I honestly can't wait to use it. Like, this is really soft. But yeah, I'm definitely excited to use these and add this to my makeup collection. Yeah, y'all, that's all I have for this video. I know it ain't much, but that's just a few of the items that I've purchased to add to my makeup collection, because I am starting off. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to see more of these kind of videos, leave me a comment down below. If you're new here, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Yeah.